gummy bear is 0 carb, 0 sugar, pure carnivore, and it is so incredibly delicious. If you're feeling low energy, getting headaches, or just feeling off on carnivore, this might be the easiest fix. Before I show you how easy it is to make these, let me quickly explain why electrolytes matter so much. Electrolytes help your body actually use the water you drink. They support hydration, muscle function, nerve signaling, and energy. When electrolytes are low, that's when people can feel tired, get headaches, feel crampy, feel off, or even dehydrated, even if they're drinking plenty of water. So my family and I used Redmond salt for a long time. Then we learned it contains heavy metals like lead, which stays in your body forever. Many salts today contain heavy metals, bleach, sugar, bad additives. Recently, my family and I found a new company called SALTR. Their Norwegian sea salt is lab tested and proven to be one of the cleanest choices available, so you get the minerals you want without the toxins you don't. Their electrolytes are 0 carb, 0 sugar, with clean ingredients and real electrolytes, and they actually taste delicious. Okay, enough talking. Let me show you how easy it is to make these. Here's what you are going to need. It is a 3-step, 3-ingredient. So you can use any electrolytes of your choice. I am making 4 different flavored gummies, so I have 4 different electrolyte packets. And then you're going to need beef gelatin powder. I had to put it in this bag because our cat got to it. You can use a pan or a pot to heat up water, but I'm just using this because I find it super fast and efficient. And then you need your molds. I have a bunch of different gummy bears. You also don't need molds. You can just make your own little jello cubes instead and just put it in a bowl and cut it up. If I'm going too fast, don't worry, because I will have exactly how to make it down below and exactly what I used. Then you're going to need a bowl. I have 4 bowls because I'm doing 4 different flavors. So for each different electrolyte flavor you are going to need that amount of bowls. So if you're doing 2, you only need 2 bowls. My little trays came with these little droppers, which is going to make it perfect because the first time that I made this, I didn't use droppers and I just kind of spilled it in and it made a huge mess. 1/2 cup measuring cup. And then that's it. I'm using these cutting boards so that I can easily put it in the refrigerator when it needs to set. Super quick disclaimer, there is something where if you get too much electrolytes, it will actually hurt your stomach if you have way too much. So you don't want to be eating way too much of these gummies. Make sure you read your electrolyte packet and know how much the serving is and how much you're supposed to have. For example, these SALTR ones, 1 stick is 2 servings. So one time I made a bunch of electrolyte popsicles and I had maybe 4 or 5 of them, which is way too many, and then I had a bunch of bacon that day, and so my stomach was just so upset. So make sure you read your electrolytes and know the serving size, the recommended amount that you're supposed to have. Our first step, you're going to take your bowl and we're going to put 1/2 cup room temperature water in it. So I'm going to take my 4 bowls and do that. I've made this multiple times and apparently it's supposed to be room temperature water, so I just do like lukewarm water. 1/2 cup in your bowl. Boom. This next step, you're going to need a tablespoon, and your beef gelatin powder. We are going to do 2 scoops per bowl. 1, 2, give it a little twirl. 1, 2, move it around. Don't just dump it all in at once like this, shake it around. Then I just go like this. And now we let this sit for 5 minutes. For this next step, you need 1/2 cup again, and it's going to be steaming water. So I'm going to put 4 1/2 cups in here. If you don't have this, don't worry. You could just put it in a pot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, do you guys like my shirt? Compassionate Carnivore, grateful for every meal, never wasteful. My sister Katie and I work really hard on Compassionate Carnivore, where we sell 100% natural, organic, tallow-based products. I'll leave the link down below for that as well. This is my personal favorite. My other one is this one. This is the unflavored one. It's not horrible, like salty ocean flavor. It's just like the right amount, in my opinion, and it is so delicious. Before, I would have to take a shot of electrolytes every single morning to get it over with because of the taste, and now I can actually enjoy it. Once it's steaming, it's perfect. You don't want it to be boiling, you just want steaming water. And now I'm going to pour my 1/2 cup into each one. 2, 3, 4. The next step, you are going to take your electrolytes. You can really do it how much ever you want, whatever you prefer. This tart lime one, it's so delicious. If I had to describe it, I would say it tastes like Sprite. Like, it's so good. And then you give it a good mix. Boom, number 1 gummy flavor done. So simple and easy to make. Use a whisk, this will get it really good. Grapefruit flavor. Okay, now we got the unflavored one. This one is pure carnivore. Good mix. And now my absolute favorite one, the salted caramel coffee. Oh my gosh, this one smells so delicious. I'm actually gonna have to put another pot of water on. So I'm doing half mix. I have 5 gummy molds, so I need to decide which ones I want more of. I definitely know the tart lime one is my favorite for the gummy bears. I finished these, and then for the tart lime one, I have this much left. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and then you can cut it up into little cubes, and it makes kind of like Jell-O cubes. These are super nice because now I gotta clean them. The bottoms just pop off like that, so then you can wash them and then reuse them. I have all of my trays and my bowls in the refrigerator. I'm going to wait for about an hour to an hour and a half for it to get to the texture that I want. So we'll be right back. This is what my gummies look like. And then this is what these ones look like. So again, you don't even need molds. You could just put it in like a cake pan or a long square pan and then just cut it up. And you'll have little Jell-O cubes. Look at that. This one is my tart lime one. Oh no, I dropped it. It's so squishy. It's so tiny, but it's so cute. It looks like a gummy bear. It tastes like Sprite. Oh, this guy's head just came off. You gotta be really careful taking them out of the silicone molds because it can just break, so you have to really take your time. Okay, the tart lime one, 11 out of 10. My favorite one as a gummy. Okay, this is one that I just cut, and I don't remember what was in the bowl, so it's gonna be a little surprise. Yeah, look at it, it's literally Jell-O, carnivore Jell-O. Oh, it could fall apart easily though.
It looks really good.
This is the unflavored one.
Is it nice and cold though?
Yeah, it's cold.
Ooh.
This one tastes like nothing at all. The unflavored one doesn't taste like anything at all, really. It's just like a little bit salty. It's really good. Okay, now we have the coffee ones. It's hard to not squish it. That one's so good too. Oh my gosh, the salted caramel coffee one's my favorite one. 0 carbs, 0 sugar, 3 ingredients, and 3 steps to make it. It is the easiest thing to make ever. It's so delicious. This one is my number 1. It's the salted caramel coffee one. Number 2 is the tart lime one. It tastes like Sprite. 11 out of 10. This is the grapefruit one, which I'm not really a fan of, but let me try it as a gummy. Maybe because the texture, it might be different. This one was bigger. Look at this. This one's like a big gummy bear. Cheers. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of grapefruit. So cute. It's not bad, it's just not my favorite. Now the tart lime one, ooh. I'm glad I made 2 trays of the tart lime one. My favorite one. This looks like brownies. In my whole carnivore journey, I've never had this texture in about like 2 years, so this is crazy. Well, that is how you make 0 carbs, 0 sugar, carnivore electrolyte gummies. So simple and easy to make. I'll leave the link down below for the electrolytes and for the little molds that I used. But thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe as it helps YouTube push my videos out and may inspire others. Wishing you all the very best today and always bye.